What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to be making up a banana strawberry smoothie. A banana strawberry smoothie, if I can get it out. So, you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, a smoothie, man? What are you doing? Going on a health kick like Richard Simmons? No. Well, kind of, because, I put so much crazy, wild stuff in my gut. All the beer, all the spicy foods, all the greasy fried foods. I thought maybe I might do something nice for myself. And that's the thing about it too. You see that pink color? You might be able to do something nice on Valentine's Day. Maybe you can make this you and your lady friend and sit down and watch Gilmore Girls with Sebastian Bach. Isn't he in that shit? I keep forgetting about him being in that shit. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and make one for you. First thing that you got to do, my brother, you have to get you a banana, because we got to cut that banana first thing. What's that remind you of? Not me. You say, like, oh, I didn't see any Vienna sausage. Well, you're right about that. So, take your banana. I went ahead and used 2 today because I wanted to make a big amount. Take your banana, peel it, cut it up into little slices, if you would, buddy boy. And then you can go ahead and put it in your blender. Next thing that you got to do, we're going to get some strawberries. Now, the thing about it is, you get the frozen strawberries. They've already got the little top cut off, easier to do, and these recipes usually call for ice. If you use a frozen strawberry, you cut the ice right out of the deal because it's got a little ice on the outside, don't it? Ice Ice Baby, like old, what's his name? So, go ahead and put some of those in there. I put, once again, a large amount, sir. And there are recipes that give you the portions and everything for this. You can go ahead and get the cups and the ounces and all that, but you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit, so I'm doing it my way today. Go ahead and put the strawberry down in there, Daryl strawberry. Now, go ahead and get your plain yogurt. Got to be plain Jane, as far as I know for this recipe. So, went ahead and put a bunch of that in there. Maybe a little too much, but it was good. So, put that in there. Then we're going to add a splash of that milk there, buddy. So, it does a body good, and it'll give you a milk mustache too. And finally, for a little sweet on top of there, we're going to shake hands with Mr. Bear over there. Look at him, isn't he cute? We're going to use him and put that honey in there to give it a little sweetness. Now, I want you to take your blender, everything we got in the blender, and then we're going to push the button. And now, this one is cool because it's got a smoothie button right on it, so I don't even need to worry about it, my boy. Just push the smoothie button and watch it go. And you can see it mix around, get that good consistency, that good color, going to give us that good flavor. And when it's done, we can have a nice sight and a beautiful, lovely little pink bite. With that banana and that strawberry in there, I almost want to put some tequila in there and hang out with Sammy Hagar, but probably not a good idea with that milk. Ooh, so, let's go ahead and have it as it is. Let's have the sight, let's have the non-bite. We're going to have a sip tonight, and we're going to see it righty now. So, let's do it. Alright, buddy, the time has come. This strawberry banana smoothie is done. I'm having that first sip for Big Daddy. So, it smells good. It's got that good consistency. Looks beautiful, sir. So, say now. That's pretty damn tasty. Kind of like a milkshake, but not as sweet. And healthy for you too, like I say. I need some healthy in my life, boy. I'm going crazy. So, a little bit of this, a little less of the other, and I'll be fine. But all things in moderation, sir. So, I want to thank you for moderating your time with me and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl as a dip with strawberry garnish. So you can watch all my other episodes right here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Do your thing, baby. And enjoy your strawberry milkshake. Or not the milkshake, the smoothie, like I said. So, see you next time. I'm getting confused because I want a bite of this thing and I've got to go. I've just got to go.